Welcome to the WebDollar channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can mine cryptocurrency just by opening up a new tab on your browser and earn using our technology. To start mining WebDollar coins, called WebD, just type webdollar.io in your browser. Immediately upon opening, the browser will start synchronizing with the network and will begin accessing the latest blocks from the blockchain, and then you are mining. Right now, as we record this video, our development phase is at TestNet 3.2. That means the website is in testing mode, and the WebD coins that you are earning now are just for practice and have no value moving forward. The entire system will be reset to zero as soon as the mainnet is released in the near future. But from that point forward, the WebD coins will begin building value. In the right corner, you have the wallet where all your mined coins are kept. Your first wallet address is automatically created for you, and if you want, you can create other wallets for yourself. The wallet with a small hammer in the corner is the wallet where you are mining, where you will receive your reward for mining a block. The wallet is kept only on your computer, stored directly in the browser. You can save it and move it to an external storage, or you can import it into another browser. When you want to export your wallet, a file can be downloaded and opened with Notepad. And here you can see the wallet address, the public key, and the private key. When you click here, the wallet will open and you can see information like your balance, the address, and different transactions you can do with WebDollars. At this moment, the functionality of the wallet is under development, but in the near future, you will be able to send and receive WebDollars instantly. In the left corner, you have the adjustable mining power slider. This enables you to choose how much power you use for mining. The more hashes of your CPU that you are using, the bigger the chances you have to resolve a block and get rewarded. But please understand that using too much power can slow down your computer and your device may overheat. We have not received any reports of device damage because of excessive CPU usage as of this time. But you can still check your CPU usage at any time by opening the Task Manager. You can see that according to the threads selected on the interface, the CPU usage increases accordingly. When you are mining, you record transactions on the global ledger, the blockchain. A block is a structure containing transactions, and in our case, on average, is mined every 20 seconds. Miners compete to solve a difficult mathematical problem based on a cryptographic hash algorithm. When they solve it, they receive a reward. The reward for mining a block is 2,500 WebDollars. Here you can see the current distribution of WebDollars and the number of blocks that have been mined up till this point. On the network map, you'll see all the nodes you are connected to in real time. Right now, even in this test phase, you can see that there are people connected from many different parts of the world. Social mining is one of the concepts we are developing, and we believe this will introduce more people to cryptocurrency mining by tapping into social networks we use every day. In the mining pool section, you'll be able to easily create your own pool and invite your friends and family to join in order to increase everybody's chances to win a reward. This section is still under development, but we will be back with another video dedicated to it. That's it for now. We want to keep our videos short and not get too technical. Let us know how we're doing. Please keep in mind that this is a demo version of the WebDollar protocol, and many of the functionalities in the interface will improve in time. If you have questions, check our facts section and join the WebDollar Telegram group. We have an amazing community that is growing each day. So if you want to join us, check the link in the description and subscribe to our YouTube channel.